Uhe ke UDP ubadairu Menteri Khubborjylla ba Khubborkhasi ulako ba Kyrtong MP na ka parti ba yakhun hakalama jong ka Regional Democratic Alliance udon ka jeng kermen ka ba job lada ki padba ki kershan bor ba hakani ka election MP. Habakran bat kilat pat hai Khubor uba Khubborkhasi ulaong ba Kyrtong Jongngi ba Robert Jun Kharjaren uladei ubala Biang pura bandai jasa naga benta ka jai penriu ha parlimen lada ki padba ki penjob menta ka kenti.
That's a hope. Actually, not only the RTA, all the candidates who will be contesting any election, not only just the MP, but what I feel, a candidate when he stands for any election, when he contests, with a hope that he will be the winner. The same thing for us also, we are fighting to win the election, and we will request the public how we have been doing. We will, if they give us a chance to serve, then only they'll know whether we can do it or not. So I feel it's a high time for the people of the state to give one chance to the UDP in the in the umbrella of RDA, so that our candidate to go and perform in the parliament. So for this, I would like to request that people of the state, please kindly support us. So we will show them that we also can be a leader, not only just in the state, even in the Delhi itself, in the parliament. People used to think it that way. So until unless you try to fly, you'll not be able to fly if you have wings also. So to be able to fly, you have to try. Then for that, you have to get the opportunity. So until unless you have the opportunity to fly, you'll not be able to fly. You'll just keep sitting and thinking that I cannot fly. So the same thing with us. Until unless they give us a chance. So how can they say that? Give us one time. Then only you can say that, oh, we end up just in Meghalaya. I've just said, for us, we the hope, and then chances is with the people of our state. All of us with our votes, I believe that will give the chance to the candidate. And I believe this is a high time and it's a right time for us, with the hope that people will give us chance. So I believe this time our candidate will be the winner of this election. It's not that I'm just saying it from my mouth, because all of us, the 14 MLAs of the RDA, we will work hard for him, and we will try to make sure that he'll be the winner of this election.